Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, today I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL. In our previous videos, I had shown how to download and install SQL Plus, and also we have worked with its program by using SQL Plus queries. Now let's start downloading MySQL. Before downloading, we need to download one thing. For that, here, as you are looking, my mouse cursor is moving bottom right corner of the monitor, and here it is showing internet access. Like this, you need internet access to download anything. After that, open any browser, whether it is Google Chrome or any other browser, but I recommend you should open Google Chrome. First, we have to install Visual Studio C++ 2019 distributable. Okay, click on this. Then this page will be opened. Here you click on the first option, latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Then this page will be opened. Among these many options, select the first one, that is latest supported distributable version. I'm clicking on it. This page will be opened. In this page, if your operating system is 32-bit, then you can select the 32-bit. If your operating system is 64, you can select 64. See, for 32-bit, you can use this x86 version. As my operating system is 64-bit, so I am using this 64. Click on this link. Then see here at the right top corner, your download has finished. Now just click on it. See, it will start like this. Click agree, then click install. After installation, it may ask to restart. Then give the restart. Otherwise, no need. Just click on close button. Okay. Then go back again. And in the same place in the Google, just search MySQL. Click on MySQL option. This page opens. Then click on MySQL here. This page will be opened. In this page, at the top of this page, an option is there by name downloads. Click on this downloads option. Then these many things are opened. Come to the last link, MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on this. This page will open. After that, come to last link, MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Then this page opens. Here two things are showing, x86 32-bit, x86 32-bit. Both are MSI installer. See, the first one is the 32-bit and the second one is the 64. How can we identify? See here the capacity. It is having 2.1 MB and here it is 558.3 MB. So if you are using a 32-bit operating system like Windows 7, you can download this. Or if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, which is having x64, that is 64-bit operating system, you can go for this. As I'm using the 64-bit operating system, so I'm selecting this and clicking on download button. After clicking, this page will open. No need to worry. Don't log in, don't sign up, just click on this option. No thanks, just start my download. When you click, the download will begin. See, like this, at the right top corner, it will show your downloads. So for this thing, I recommend you to use only the Chrome browser instead of using any other. See, if your computer is having higher configuration, then it will take download as it is happening in my computer. If you are using the middle version or the lowest version, then also it will be available to download, but it takes lesser time to download. Keep in mind that you have to wait till it downloads. When the download finishes, it will prompt here automatically at the right top corner of our browser. See, it is finished. Now it is showing MySQL installer download has completed. Just click on this. Okay, see, it has started. Then give S. Once more, see, click on custom. Okay, then click next. After that, double click on MySQL servers, double click again, double click once more and click any of these, then this will shift it here after clicking on this arrow. Give scroll, come to applications, here select MySQL Workbench, again MySQL Workbench. It's also showing many things. Just click here, by clicking on this arrow, shift it to right. Then after that, give scroll again, we need MySQL shell. Okay, we need MySQL shell here, double click on it, again MySQL shell, click any one of these, then shift to its right. After this, you need to observe one thing. Click on the next button. If it is showing just MySQL server or any two options, or it is not showing MySQL downloads and MySQL shell. So in that sense, you need to do one thing. Keep program files as it is. Just change its drive from C to D, capital D. Okay, no need to worry. If it is showing all the three things here, then you should not change the drive. If it is showing just one thing, then you have to change the drive. Click on next. It will give you an error. Otherwise, it will execute directly. Here it is executing. So we have to wait. Okay, see MySQL server, MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell. All the three things are downloading here. We need to wait. This Workbench will take a little time, some seconds of time. And I'm telling that till it installs. Okay, we have to wait. Under this description of the video, I'm giving both the links to download Visual Studio C++ 2019 redistributable as well as MySQL 8.0.44. Both the download links I'm giving in this video's description. There you can watch or see the links, and directly by clicking on these two links, you can download these two softwares. So here MySQL Workbench will wait at 86% for few seconds, and after a few seconds, automatically it will shift to MySQL shell installations. So we need to wait. Don't worry. Based on system's configuration, it will stay. If your system is middle level or low level configuration, it takes little more time. As my system is having higher configuration, so it is taking lesser time. So after 86%, it will directly shift to MySQL shell. In this way, you have to download and install MySQL. No need to worry about anything. If you are having any doubts regarding installation and all, you can ask me directly. You can comment me. See here, it is now shifted to MySQL shell installation. Already finished 46% of the download. Like this, it will go for installation. Then let's see what are the steps we need to follow. Okay, keep in mind that it will ask to enter a password in middle. So you have to enter the password. The password which you have entered, you must keep remember, otherwise write it down somewhere. So whenever you open MySQL, at that time you have to enter that password, then only it starts working. See here, our installation has been completed. That is server, workbench and shell, they have completed. Now click on the next. After that, it is showing MySQL server. Again click on next, again click on next, again don't change, just click on next. Here see MySQL root password. Okay, you give any password. I am giving which is suitable for me. Give any strong password or anything. Okay, I am giving some password here. When the password matches, okay, here it will show. See, this password is weak. Weak means lengthier password we can give. I'm giving few characters only, so it is showing weak. Otherwise, you can use capital letters, special symbols, numbers, combination of all these things. Then it will show you strong. Then click on next. See, again click on next, again click on next. Then finally click on execute. See, the options here showing one by one, they are executing. After executing, okay, everywhere you will get green colored right mark. Then after finishing, you can open, start and work with MySQL. Here, see here, it is installing, that is initializing database. Okay, itself it is showing may take a long time. That is depend on your computer's configuration. In few seconds, it will install. No need to worry. It won't take minutes and all. You can wait till its installation get complete. And one more thing I'm telling, after downloading these two softwares, there is no need of internet connection to install because both are offline installers. So after installation, after downloading, you can directly disconnect your internet connection, then you can run the installer. See it is completed. Okay, now click on the finish. Then next again it will show something, no need to uncheck, keep as it is, then click on finish. See here MySQL has opened. Now I am closing it and closing this one also. Then I will do one thing. Okay, click on start button, go to all apps. Okay, then select a letter or go to M by giving scroll. So I am going directly, click on A, then it is MySQL, so I am selecting M. Click on M, then here it is MySQL. Then go to MySQL 8.0 command line client Unicode. Okay, if you are finding difficulty, just right click here, click on more, go to open file location. So it is showing here MySQL 8.0 command line Unicode. Right click on Unicode, then go to send to option, then click on desktop. See, now the shortcut has been created on desktop. Double click on this. See what I said, the password you need to write it down or remember. Now it is asking password. Now I am entering my password which I have entered. Okay, see I have entered my password, then enter. See our MySQL command line Unicode prompt has been started. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to work with MySQL with its queries. Okay, till then keep installing and subscribe to my channel. Once again I'm repeating, I'm giving both the software links in my description. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Meet with next video with MySQL programs. Thank you.